Hello guys and welcome to Doza Digitals. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can get free test tokens for the most used blockchain network. All right, and this is absolutely free. You do not need to have any balance on your mainnet wallet, all right, before you can get some of this particular test token. There are a couple of projects that we have been farming. For example, Ethereum that requires you to have BNB test token. There's also Polarized that requires to have their own test token and all of that, right? But when you go to a website like Chainstack and you say, okay, you want to get their test token, and for instance, you want to get BNB test token, they are going to ask you to have at least a minimum, the requesting address must have a minimum balance of 0.08 ETH on the Ethereum minute. That means you can't claim this test token. You can't even claim this 0.5 BNB every 24 hours, all right, without having this balance. Now, how many newbie will be able to have this 0.08 Ethereum on their balance before they can claim this? So, but if you also check Alchemy is the same thing, right? So let's say we want to get base Sepolia. We want to get base Sepolia. All right. For base Sepolia, let's say for instance we add our wallet address here. Okay. It says you can request 0.1 ETH each day, right? So let's say we want to request this and I've done the capture. You will likely see that they will tell you to have a particular amount of Ethereum on your wallet. It says insufficient balance. You need at least 0.001 ETH on the Ethereum mainnet. So that means you will not be able to claim this base Sepolia faucet. If you even go to multiple sites like that, you'll not be able to see it. But I have found a website where you can actually get these test tokens for free for every 24 hours. All right, you don't need to have any available balance on your wallet. So before we dive straight into it, we'll so much appreciate if you give me a subscribe on my channel. Those are digitals where I share crypto education, Web3 opportunities, and airdrops. Just give me a subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I post a new video. All right, and you can see so far we've created 188 videos, and we're just trying to ensure that we stay consistent by posting very important airdrop opportunities. All right, that it's going to help you make your first money in the crypto or in the web3 space. Again, this is not a financial advice. You can make money and you might also not make money, right? So just understand that everything that we do on this particular channel is strictly for educational purpose only. So let's dive straight into it. So this particular trade bot where you can get free test tokens is on Telegram. All right, you can see Faucets trade bot is on Telegram. You can actually get Sepolia ETH, Arbitrum Sepolia ETH, Base Sepolia, Optimism Sepolia, Mega ETH Testnet, Mona Testnet, Neura Testnet, Udi Testnet, Feroz, OG Galileo, Giwa, Somnai, Verachain, Polygon, BSC, and all of that, right? So for this particular video, I want to claim the BSC test token, all right? So I'm just going to click on this. For me to claim this BSC test token, all right, I have to solve like a captcha. So I'm going to click on solve captcha. I'm going to click on open. So it's going to redirect me to another website. So I'm just going to use Microsoft Chrome. So let me just use Chrome. Let me just use just once. So it's going to take me here. All right, so I have to submit this, I have to pass this captcha. So just follow me. So I'm just going to click on I'm a human, and it's going to bring some things for me to do. It says please click on the shape that does not move. That does not move. So that's this one. So I'll click on next. Shape that does not move. That's this one. I'll click on verify. All right. So it says please drag to an empty space. So I'm going to put it here. Click on verify. All right. So it says success, return to the booth and click confirm. So I'll come back here and I'll click confirm. All right. So it says captcha has been solved. So the next thing I'm going to do is just paste my wallet address in this message point here. So I'll just paste it and I'll click on enter. So it says your transaction is being processed. You should be receiving your BSC testnet BNB within 1 to 2 minutes. All right. So let's go and check if we have actually received this BNB test token. So I'm just going to come back here. I'll come to my wallet on MetaMask. and I'm just going to click on this BNB chain. All right, so I'll click on the BNB chain. Okay, this is the BNB chain. So let's see what we have here. You can see BNB testnet. You can see I have 0.028 TBNB. All right, so if you check the activity, you can see I just received this just now, confirmed. You can see I just received it just now. All right, you can see 25th minus 0.1 TBNB. All right, so if you check the token, you can actually see that this is what we have here. So I hope that you found value in this video. So you can actually go and start using the trade bot. I will drop the link or the name of the trade bot in the description of this video, so that you can always just claim some free testnet token anytime you want to participate in some airdrop. So that'll be all for now, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.